Number 17, carry the torch, meaning to continue a pre-existing tradition or take on a responsibility that has been passed to you by someone. Examples: A. She was proud to carry the torch of her family's business. B. He promised to carry the torch of his mentor's work after she retired. Number 18, catch someone red-handed, meaning to catch someone in the act of doing something wrong or illegal. Examples: A. The security guard caught the shoplifter red-handed as she was leaving the store with stolen goods. B. The police caught the dacoits red-handed as they were trying to break into the house.